Nice sewing machine, Nitki Royal Series model 3205 FA. Okay, we'll show how to put stitches in to prepare for work. Okay.
I'm gonna show how to thread this machine. This is usually how it comes. This is pulling out. You can put your thread either here or here. Or if you have two needles, you can put two threads at the same time. So I'm going to show how to put one thread. It's going here, through this little knob, through here, through this knob, and make sure you hook it to this little metal thing. Then it's going to go here, and let's see, it's going down through here and through the needle. That's your upper thread. The down thread is also easy, it's basic. It's how you do it on any regular machine. Make sure that your thread going counterclock. Then put it here, then go through this little slot and through this hole, and when you put it in, you hold it like this so your bobbin stays in. And to pull the lower thread out, you have to push needle down and pull the upper thread up, and there you go. And your machine is ready for sewing.
Very nice. Thank you for looking and good luck.